So you guys took notes yesterday about the Electoral College. Go ahead and take those notes out. You're going to use them for your notes quiz. Please know that this notes quiz, you're allowed to use your notes, and you are also allowed to resubmit your questions and answers. And I will be taking your best score as your final score. Know that these are the same questions that are going to be on your test. Of course, they're worded differently and some of the answers are worded differently, but this is a really good practice to see how well prepared you are for the test and to continue to prepare for the test so that way you have to study less for the test, which is always a good goal. So in this video, I'm just going to kind of go over what you should be doing, what you should be looking for as you guys are taking your test. So go ahead and click on this Electoral College Notes Quiz. Put your first and last name in. All right, and then make sure that you take a look at the headings. So instead of just looking through all of the bullet points, figure out where you think you're going to find that answer by looking at the headings. And that's going to make it a lot easier. So instead of having to look through all of those bullet points, you now only have to look through maybe like 4 instead of like 30. So what is the goal of the primary? Primary is kind of the key word there. That's the subject that they're talking about. So in my notes, I'm going to look for a heading that has to do with primaries. And look, it's the very first one. And it should be the first. All right, when you submit this, it's not going to tell you the correct answer to each question, but it's going to tell you which questions you got incorrect. So if I got number 1 incorrect, I might go ahead and just look at my notes and look for the correct answer and then write it down. So that way when I retake that quiz, that notes quiz, I will already have the answers ready to go. And I'm not like resubmitting the same incorrect answers, if that makes sense. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. If you need anything, my email is right here. You can also call and text my Google Voice phone number, just like you would any other phone number right here. Good luck, guys.